Hello, class. I want to welcome you to Understanding Employee Behavior for the summer of 2022. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor for this summer. It's very nice to meet all of you. You may notice that I'm wearing my Illinois Fighting Illini shirt. I actually, my full-time job is I'm the Assistant Director for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion and Title IX at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. So I am a fellow Big Ten school, even though I'm not physically located in Pennsylvania. I'm in Illinois, but again, I've been teaching in Penn State's World Campus for a couple semesters now, and I really enjoy it. I also am an adjunct in other HR classes at three other universities: St. Louis University, the University of Missouri St. Louis, and Oklahoma State University. So again, I've been teaching HR classes online since 2015. I absolutely love it, and this is one of my favorite classes to teach. And so I'm so happy that you decided to enroll in this class. And it's going to be a short summer, but I think it'll be a very productive summer. And I think once you leave this class, there are so many good topics that we discussed during the semester, and I think you'll leave class with not only a deeper understanding about employee behavior, but how it relates to you and your job, and how you relate to others in your workplace, which is over the overall goal of the class. So again, I think you'll really enjoy it. I think you'll learn a lot in this class. And again, I want you to be successful. So if you have questions or comments, feel free to shoot me an email, give me a call. Whenever you shoot me an email, I do my absolute best to respond to you within 24 hours. If you email on a Saturday night, I may not get to it till Sunday night or Monday morning. So but again, I do try my best to get back to you within 24 hours if you reach out to me. So again, even though this is there's not a lot of time in the summer, to do it for a lot of material, we do pack a lot of material into this class. So again, I will fully admit that there's a lot of material that we go over in this class. There is some reading, and and we do a lot of different things as far as doing different quizzes and different discussion exercises and essays and different things like that. So again, if you find yourself struggling to keep up, give me a call or shoot me an email, and we can work with you to try to again, I want you to be successful in this class. So I do recommend that all the modules are open throughout the semester. So if you want to work ahead, you're more than welcome to. I will only grade materials from the previous week, but if you want to work ahead, you're welcome to do so. As far as grading goes, if the assignment's turned in Sunday or Monday, within the next 48 to 72 hours, I try to have everything graded with my comments and back to you, so that you're never wondering where you stand in the class. You always know what grade you at, and then I'll try to provide feedback wherever I can. So again, I feel very strongly about trying to get that back to you as soon as I can, so you're not wondering. So, but again, I think the biggest piece of feedback I can offer you is to make sure you stay up with the class. Because again, the summer goes quickly. We move at a pretty fast pace. So make sure whatever module we're working on that week, make sure that you complete everything by the Sunday or Monday deadline, whichever it is, because it's very easy to fall behind in this class. And if you do, it takes a lot of effort to really get caught up, to learn the materials, to apply what you learn in one module to the next module. So again, do your absolute best to keep up with the class. And again, if you find yourself struggling with that, or need some advice, or need some additional thoughts on it, let me know, and I'd be happy to work with you on that. So again, I'm a big believer in my goal is to help you on this journey, and help you to get where you want to be at the end of the class. So whatever I can do to help you, just let me know. So again, like I said, we cram a lot of lessons into a short amount of a short summer. So again, I think you'll find the readings are very helpful. I think you'll find that the materials that we discuss, the videos we watch, are all relevant to that topic, and really provide you an overall foundation for what we're going to be learning this summer. So. But again, feel free to call me Justin. You don't have to call me Professor Lacey or Dr. Lacey. You can call me Justin. That's perfectly fine. I am a lawyer by trade. I have a Juris Doctor JD degree. But again, even though I am a lawyer, I'm not a practicing lawyer. Again, I work for the University of Illinois in system human resources through diversity, equity, and inclusion. So I have a legal background. If you know any good lawyer jokes, I'd love to hear them, because they're probably all true. But like I said, you don't have to call me Professor Lacey or Dr. Lacey. You can call me Justin. That's perfectly fine. So. Again, I just wanted to kind of do a quick video and welcome you to the class. And again, let me know how I can help you be successful. If you have questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And again, I think you'll enjoy the semester, and we'll have a fun journey together. Thanks, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you in this week's assignments in the discussion boards. Bye.